Let me see. Whoa. Did you find a raspberry in Graham's yard? You want Mommy to eat it?
I love raspberries.
Mom, can I do it?
Oh, I found a raspberry.
Is it delicious, Laura?
I'll take a picture of him in front of Grandpa's garden.
Okay.
Don't go in his garden, but you can stand in front of it. Mom could get a picture.
How can you go over here?
Laura, what's in those bushes?
I like this.
Is it raspberries?
It's a tiny one. Only pick the right one. Laura picked the green one, and then she said, Erin, put it back. There's no way you can put a raspberry back.
Let's look at Grandma's garden. What's that, Erin?
It's corn.
It's corn? Ooh, it's getting pretty tall. Grandpa and Daddy.
I stepped on a doggy toy and it squeaked.
Oh.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Well, the party was nice, the party was pumping,
Hey, yeah,
and everybody having a ball until the fellas started name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I hear a woman shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball, cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel.
Load 'em up time, yeah. Come on.
Hey, you guys. They found a few shells, at least Erin did. Let me see them. Whoa, this is a little too close.
This one, this one, this one.
They're all covered in dirt.
Yeah.
Laura, show me the shell that you found.
Show Roger.
Show Roger.
Oh, that's a pretty shell.
Ooh, that's a pretty one. Can you hear the ocean in it?
Yeah.
Here, let me see it.
Oh, I found
So this is shell she got. This is cool. There's some dirt in there. Look at that awesome cornfield. There's some cabbage.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
I've got my binoculars.
I've got my binoculars.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Ooh, look at that tall, wavy grass.
It's so tall.
We can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
We're just gonna have to go through it.
We're gonna have to go through it.
Swish, 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 swish. We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
I've got my binoculars.
I've got my binoculars.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Uh-oh, there's a big river.
Ooh,
We can't go over it.
we can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
We can't go under it.
We're just gonna have to swim it.
I hope it's not too chilly.
Splash, splash.
Please give me the camera. Please give me the camera now. Please give me the camera now.
This took me like 2 days to build. I had to like curve the entire thing around. So yeah, it says Roblox, and I made his shoes skinnier than what they are because I didn't have enough space. This is a Playdoh. What was it, Aaron? What are they called again? Playmobil. Yeah, I have one of those like sets.
Yeah.
Remember for like Christmas?
They're so cute.
I'll take all the milk, please. I actually put them in there. This is the thing I made. I made like I painted this house thing, Mom. Yeah. So this is what I made. I helped Grandpa make.
Very nice.
Fisher. But yeah, I made that house with Grandpa. This is the school, I think.
Yeah, that's
school.
And
But yeah, this was a really cool setup. I really like this house. Set the cake down.
wait, is that?
This is a dishwasher, man.
Oh, then this is the oven right here.
Oh yeah, it's glass. So this is the dishwasher.
Is that a cooler, Mom, that she's playing with? That is so cute.
Let me see.
Super cute.
What's it got in it, guys?
Is that toothpaste?
Oh yeah.
Or
No, that's
lotion?
sunscreen.
Oh, it's sunscreen.
Or is it glazed donut?
They make everything for those dollies, huh?
So they don't have a sink in their bathroom.
Yes, they do. It's right there.
Oh. There's a lot of hairbrushes in there. You don't need that many hairbrushes.
Yeah, but
Ever in your life do you need that many hairbrushes? We do
it's for
not.
potty seats.
We do not, man.
We do not.
Did I just say we do not?
Yeah. We.
Cool whip. It's cool whip.
Get it.
Dad and Grandpa are grilling. Anyway, so there it is. What is that, chicken? Okay, so
That plastic's holding that pump.
Yeah, that, where I just got plastic, plastic sheeting, that's been there with us for 30 years. I mean, it just whips in the wind all the time, and it still hangs together.
Craig gave me a greenhouse. I've got a frame for it at home. It's a two-frame thing that snaps all together, and then you can anchor it down, whatever. It's pretty good size. It's probably, oh, I think it's about 16, 18 feet long by 6, 8 feet wide. It's pretty good size. You can stand in it. I got to get that thing put up.
Well, it's nice, even in the winter, he goes out there and stands in there when he's watching the dogs when it's really cold, when it's warm in
Go out there
there.
and sand together, stop or something.
Yeah.
Because as long as the sun's shining,
We kept trying to save that nice tree. You know,
Yeah.
we kept trying to save these trees.